I want to show something from mine when I was like 5, 6, 7. When I was like 5, 6. When I was like 5, 6, 7. This thing is like so old. I never took this out the box. I never ever took this out the box. When I was little. For some reason, I don't know why I never took it out the box. I just don't know why. It just seems so cool to me that I never want to take it out the box. Look at the Sonic in it.
Gentlemen, start your engine! Gentlemen, start your engine!
It seems so cool to me. I just don't want to get it on. Or open it. I just thought it was that cool. So this is another time machine. A time machine, I mean, toy from when I was little. That's cool, but that's cool. What am I doing right now? The fan. Look. Oh, you guys can't see it. Let me run down, open it for you guys. You will comment below if you want me to open it, or you would like this. Well, bye, YouTubers. Bye.